sir. Sawali ka man.
Refreshing. Hoy tanano babo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Yako iluwi season ning wherein Pampanga. Ngening bengay ni at kami po kining Angeles City. And may invite kami po kining Thai Essence pa. What a great way to end the weekend. Nung pansinan nyo po rin ang gawa aming vlog for the past week. Tuki-tukila po rin. At the same time, ngening aldo ngay ni kaya yari mi pang mix swimming din family ko. So halos kauuli ko pa mo bale. Ngeni, sabi ko bin, what a great way to end the weekend with a great spa. So, Thai Essence Spa, atuya po kining Ameluz building. Atuya po along Santo Rosario Street. For me, nung makanining oras, pansinan nyo, alang problema kayong parking, oh. Talagang sobrang luwalas na ning parking lot. And, ito, first time kaming magpamassage kini. Lawentala po ring services. Expect me po na talagang ma-relax kami ngayon ngayon. So, abayan nyo kami po. Tara, manikta na. Na-excited na ako magpamasahe. Okay, so we're inside the Thai Essence Spa. And we were greeted with Sawadika. Taiwan
Greeting?
Thailander greeting. Ating pong client ngayon. No? Okay, so ito yung mga services nila. So meron tayong classic Thai Essence service.
Yes, sir. This one po, sir, is foot, head, and head. 30 minutes only. Pwede po siya dito, pwede siyang humiga. And then, ganun din po yung express back natin. Puro likod po siya. And then, pag-arating sa harap, sa ulo na po tayo. And then, meron po rin kami rejuvenating. Yun po yung tinatawag namin dry massage. And then, yung signature po namin, combination po siya ng Swedish, Shiatsu, and Thai.
Wow.
Yung may stretching po. So, same lang po sila ng sequences niya ng soothing. Ang difference lang po is yung oil na gagamitin natin, which is yung soothing. Mga choices nila.
Alright. And then
So,
meron tayong special Thai Essence services.
Yes po, yung pong in natin may deep tissue tayo. So, yung talagang so hard na hard talaga.
Wow.
So, iba yung difference, sequences niya dito sa signature.
Yes.
And then, meron din po kami bentosa.
Bentosa.
So, meron po kami talagang pinaka-special is yung pong herbal balls namin. Yung ginagamitan po siya, ini-steam po namin yan. So, like po dito sa signature Thai na yan, unscented po, ang gagamitin na oil, which is dito sa ultra po namin is scented oil. So, ginagamitan lang siya ng herbal balls.
Wow, okay. Let me inform you about their prices. No, yung Express Thai as low as 159 pesos. So that's 30 minutes. What I'm trying to say is for as low as 169 pesos. And if you're in a hurry, yun, so pwede pala yun, 30 minutes express massage. And then if you're really into talagang ma-relax ka kaya so they have their special Thai Essence services. So, what do you suggest, ma'am? Meron mo something
For me, sir, yung ultra special, syempre,
ultra special?
yan yung pinaka-special lang natin.
Pwede po tama? Sige, so we're gonna try the ultra special aromatic therapy massage. But before that, we would like to thank again Thai Essence Spa for inviting us. And manyaman kung matudtod kanyan po ito. So as soon as you arrive, you will be offered with green tea. Mantala. Wow. Walang kape, no? Tayo pa muing buong shop bayo tamong magpamasahe. Buri kayong packet kasi kaya kayo na mga nanoy kasanting kening club ng shop. Spa, I mean. So, atin tamong 5 beds. And then partition tamo are curtains. So, nung ating kayong, like for example, abarkada and buri yung sabi-sabi kayo ni yan pwede lang. So, buri yung makabuklat or again, nung buri tamong makasarala, it's our option. Yan. So, tinta mong 5 comfortable looking beds. Kaya kata mong paggamit na kining 1, 2, 3 kining libutad. So, ito. Pakit milaring dito ka video clips kaya kayo habang magpamassage. Dito nung bisa kayo pong magpa-relax, magpamasay. Subukan niya po yung Thai Essence Spa. Chuya po kayo along Santa Rosario Street. O ito, pa-relax ta pa. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hello. With the boxer shorts on, magkira na ako. I'll see you in a bit. So I'll see you in an hour. Wait, what a super relaxing experience. At some point kitang therapy talagang may patutod ko paking sobrang relax ko eh. So anya ikayo man naman po nung bisa kayong magpa-relax. Try po ining Thai Essence Spa. So tiyo po kayo ning second floor na ning Ameluz building along Santa Rosario Street, Angeles City. And ito, feel relaxed, enjoy really therapeutic massage kaya ni pong Thai Essence Spa. So until our next discovery, my name is Louie. Peace out.